Yeah, chat. We are back again with Jayx, the next level rapper, Chris Diva, and Slideo. Oh man, chat. It's gonna be great. Chat. This time, I think they actually dropped like the music videos. Everybody been spamming. They say you gotta check it out. It's fire, bro. So I'm ready for it, man. Starting with Jayx, Coach Start. Let's get it. Coach Start. All right, let's get it. But I just know Jayx is gonna go hard, bro. Bro. So like, question, what's the goal of the Baramel though? So do they, after they give these guys a chance to perform at the, like, so do they, like, you know what I'm saying, do they sign them like to actually be with Baramel or what? Chat, let me know in the comment section.
Mày nhóm ngợp màu pì rong cha, đại miền xã hay nhóm rap like that, không thơ cả bài nhớ sạ, tục lôi cả hay nhóm rock like that, sắm tập hiệp nhóm vết màu mi cái đắp, miền flow cha flow hold like that, kê ngó ra mi cái nhóm ní bắt, rồi cái bông tai rap lướt steak like that, tu bê lông bạc con nhóm nói từ bên tàu, xong khăn đâm lại nhóm viết like ta là ô, khoai nó sạch khoai nó control, bên nhóm đại trên cao miền mưa mà cái no, miền control.
Now give me one more time, chat. I gotta look in. One more time, bro. Damn. Hold on. Hey, one more time. One more time. Oh, that's fire. Okay, Jayx, let's go.
Mày nhóm ngợp màu pì rong cha, đại miền xã hay nhóm rap like that, không thơ cả bài nhớ sạ, tục lôi cả hay nhóm rock like that, sắm tập hiệp nhóm vết màu mi cái đắp, miền flow cha flow hold like that, kê ngó ra mi cái nhóm ní bắt, rồi cái bông tai rap lướt steak like that, tu bê lông bạc con nhóm nói từ bên tàu, xong khăn đâm lại nhóm viết like ta là ô, khoai nó sạch khoai nó control, bên nhóm đại trên cao miền mưa mà cái no, miền control xã to nhóm mày muốn thuộcแต่ละbài để cho máu cái này, lời tên squad chỉ là bầy hay đá thay chơi ấy cái bóng mà đeo được cài.
Yes, sir. The new star Jayx, man. The hard work always pays off, man. Facts. I'm proud of him, though. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I remember the first, because I watched like every the next level episode, bro. But the first days, bro. Oh man, look at him now, bro. Beautiful.
Đi bán biết ca không răng, mình để slap lên răng, miền nè khla trong ở dân chóp càng khom răng chóp càng đối chân tự phụ nữ bị khla dân đỏ tí na khla răng riệp ra khla tiệt bóc ra, khla đàn bè khla vừa mất phe khla phải chìm từ chẹ pưng pẹ lối cá, chẹ on cái bông con lột họ hay cũng vì là pun lớp đôi chỉnh chọ, tụ bởi vì dù tròn tọ ta với con bao chim thưa cho lụi chọ, tọ tụ bình bông pông chong ta cắt lạc ra head, trong mắt lẹt vì mình đã ao nẹt lẹt ta bắt đầu còi kia mình trớt chân lụi bẹt, trong tôi đưa ra ai tao mũi tê tôi đừng chán nữa.
This is hard. Chad, what is that factory he is in? What is this factory? What they make? This is this the rice factory? What happened to our lyrics, bro? Alright, man.
Không chỉ bị đai cháy bịa giờ mình lấy ngay change mindset phải cầnแต่ hit กันรองไงแต่ไซค์คู่มันได้เก่งครบยัง make sense everything ไงดีเปลี่ยนคลาได้ใหญ่โดยเตยกองเพลียงเปียกคลาก็วิเรียงชื่อจงติด stop อัตโนมัติกับกูวันนี้ชายยังได้ใหญ่ปีไอ้ก็ล้นหมดถ่าย shit แม่นะยังได้ใหญ่แมนแทนก่อนได้ใจเมาเพลียงปากแคบแคนออกคนลูกกูได้พร้อมรีแพลนน้องคนครูนาย yes so respect man Jayx on map Jayx on map Jayx on map មិនគន់អ្នកចំណាយនៅពេលដែលគេទៅសើខ្ញុំអ៊ុយមើលខាងលើជួយស្លាប់គ្មានអីមកចាប់ឲ្យគ្មានទាំងដងថាខ្ញុំនេះផ្លែលើវាចឹងមានតែវានឹងផ្លែលហងស្អាតតែរូបតែក្លិនអាក្រក់ចិត្តឡើងល្អក់នេះក្រូចលហងខ្ញុំរ៉េបលៀង
Facts. Damn. He really rapping, bro.
វាចឹងមានតែវានឹងផ្លែលហងស្អាតតែរូបតែក្លិនអាក្រក់ចិត្តឡើងល្អក់នេះក្រូចលហងខ្ញុំរ៉េបលៀងជាលបឿនថែនជីស្លេងពេលគ្រូខ្ញុំមិន
Rapping faster than 10G. But 5G is... Chad, what's like 10G though? I know 5G. I didn't know there's network 10G. That's crazy. Do you guys use 10G network in Cambodia?
ច្បាស់ដូចថ្ងៃហើយ look at me នេះហើយគឺជាក្របពេកខ្ញុំចេះក្លាច់កាច់កងចង់ជួនជាប់ចិត្តស្អិលមុន God flow reflect តែនៅប្រយ័ត្នស្ដាប់ហើយអត់វិភាគប្រៀបធៀបអត្តន័យចាក់ទឹកមិនលិចចង់ rap ដែរតែមិនកើតពួរបាត់ទៅពីស្នេហ៍លើដល់វិធីវាអត់កំណត់និយាយបានទេទ្រីស្ទ័យធ្វើឲ្យបានតាណាឆោតខ្ញុំនិយាយទៅកាប់ប្រទេសនឹងឲ្យសំណេមចង់បង្ហើបទីមិនជួមកហើយខ្ញុំចង់ធ្វើមិនឯកំចាំដល់ត្រៃសើចតង់ជាប់នឹងត្រៃនេះអត់ខួរក៏មិនចេះធ្វើអីឡើយព្រោះវាអត់គំនិតក៏ទៅដេកចំទឹកក្មេងខ្ញុំងើបមកពីរោងចក្រដែលមានសក់ហើយខ្ញុំ rap like that ខំធ្វើការបែកញើសស្រាក់ស្រាក់ទុំលុយកាក់ហើយខ្ញុំ rock like that សមត្ថភាពខ្ញុំវិតមកមានក្តាប់គ្មាន flow ចាស់ flow hold like that គេឆ្ងល់ថាមានខ្ញុំនេះបាត់ព្រោះកំពុងតែ rap លើ stage like that Jayx on the map Jayx on the map Jayx on the map
Jayx on the map. Oh man, beautiful. Diva's in the chat. Shout out to the next level rapster, man. Shout out to... We gotta subscribe to Jayx, bro. Shout out to the next level rapster, bro. This is a star right there. Oh man, this is so dope. JC on the map, bro. Hold down. All right. The next guy is Slideo. Oh yeah, Slideo is gonna come out without Vantan flow. I just know. His song name is Rich. Let's get it.
ទូរទស្សនិកជនព័ត៌មានសិល្បៈជាបន្តទៅទៀតនេះយើងមកចាប់អារម្មណ៍ពីក្មេងមួយរូបដែលមកពីខេត្តរតនគិរីធ្លាប់តែបងដងនៅពេលនេះក្រោយតែជា
Oh yeah, I think that was like last week. I went on Vito live. He was on live on YouTube. Man, Vito, we started chatting and stuff. Dope.
rap style ដែលគេឈ្មោះថា Slideo ឆងខ្ញុំឆងខ្ញុំចាក់ក្តីសម័យឆងខ្ញុំចង់ខ្ញុំមិនឲ្យគេមើលងាយតម្លៃឆងបត់ខ្ញុំផ្ទុះលឺផងពេចក្រោយពីឆ្នៃឆងខ្ញុំចង់ខ្ញុំទៅដល់យុគសម័យថ្មីគេមិននឹកស្មានថាខ្ញុំមកដល់ទីនេះខ្ញុំមានទូនាទីដែលតែពិសេសមិនចេះនៅសង្កត់មិនได้ចាំបាយស៊ីថាជីវិត
Yes, I have a mission to left my hometown. I wasn't born to stay still. Bah.
ចាំបាយស៊ីតែជីវិតខ្ញុំវាមិនដែលចេះសំណុកស្វែងរកគ្រប់វិធីខំធ្វើការទាំងយប់ទាំងថ្ងៃចង់ឃើញឈ្មោះខ្ញុំនៅលើផែនទីដែលចូលវិស័យតន្ត្រីលើកពីឲ្យមក
Is that a paint? Whoa.
មកប្រោតមិនបំពីអ្នកដតីឲ្យគេឈ្មោះខ្ញុំមកសើចូលទូណាវត្តដីកាក់វៃយើងទៅតែមកប្រព័ន្ធអ្នកនៅសល់ថា3មានខ្ញុំនៅក្នុងចំណោមឆងខ្ញុំចាក់ក្តីសម័យឆងខ្ញុំចង់ខ្ញុំមិនឲ្យគេមើលងាយតម្លៃឆងបត់ខ្ញុំផ្ទុះលឺផងពេចក្រោយពីឆ្នៃឆងខ្ញុំចង់ខ្ញុំទៅដល់យុគសម័យថ្មីកុំបោះបង់ចោលក្តីស្រមៃមកពីទឹកដីក្រហមវើនសាយខ្ញុំមិនចង់មកឆាយរឿងពីបាក់
We say never give up your dreams coming from the red soil. So is the red soil like what do you guys put the red soil? It's like the village. You guys have red soil in the village. What is that?
កំពុងរះលើពន្ធលឺថ្ងៃមានចង់ចាក់ញិចខ្ញុំដូចចៃព្រៀមខ្លួនចោលបានតែចង់ប្រឡៃដើរផ្លូវឆ្ងាយខ្ញុំមិនចេះវងវែង
What is that?
ដើរផ្លូវឆ្ងាយខ្ញុំមិនចេះវងវែងក្តីស្រមៃខ្ញុំគឺជាតន្ត្រីចូលមកខ្ញុំមិនទាន់លេងមកក្តីគ្រប់គ្នាឃើញខ្ញុំយកតសៃឃើញខ្ញុំអត់ស្រួលតែតំបន់ខ្ញុំអត់ប្រៃឃើញនៅស្ទើរចាំបានដាក់ស្មារតីចុះនៅទីណាទៅតម្លៃកាយខ្ញុំធ្វើរាល់ថ្ងៃឃើញខ្ញុំមិនទាន់ចេះជម្រាបក៏មិនចង់មកគម្រាមក៏ទៅលើពីសំនៀងពុយនៅខ្លាចពីសំដីខ្ញុំក៏ចាំងលេបកញ្ចក់គ្រប់គ្នាមិនឃើញក៏ប្រកបលើកធរប្រធានពួកស្ទើរធ្វើមកស្លាប់មិនចាំបាច់ត្រូវមើលមិនត្រូវការអ្នកស៊ីលើឬក៏ថាខ្ញុំនៅស្ទើរទីទៀតនឹងធ្វើឲ្យមើលឆងចាក់ក្តីសម័យឆងខ្ញុំចង់
Is this the Phnom Penh city right there? Oh man, this looks dope though. I see a lot of tuk tuk. Right? That's what you call it, right? Is it called a tuk-tuk, right? This the I don't know, like how do you how do you describe the tuk-tuk, bro?
សម័យឆងឆងខ្ញុំចង់ឆងខ្ញុំមិនឲ្យគេមើងងាយតម្លៃឆងឆងបត់ពេញទូលឺផងផងពេញក្រៅពីឆ្នៃឆងឆងខ្ញុំចង់ឆងខ្ញុំទៅដល់យុគសម័យថ្មី
Fire. Damn, I thought that was real. What are they standing at? What is that? Damn. You guys actually be carrying like this stuff, this big thing with a motorbike? That's possible? No, that's not. That is not possible, bro. Fire. Now these guys are killing it, bro.
What's up?
All right, we got Chris Diva, man. Chris Diva, the queen. Baddest in the game. All right, let's get it.
I'm so sorry for being too iconic, and I'm so sorry that you were born to be a basic bitch. Here baddest in the game, baddest in the game, baddest in the game, baddest in.
Damn. You say, I'm so sorry that you was born to be regular, bro. That's crazy. Damn. Chris Diva, you look good. I ain't gonna lie.
Be a born mad could be I love myself. But once a land only loy ban on, yeah. But some me and Knop some chat has so but don't chop young the crap I never slap one.
Damn. Yes. Yes. He said this part that I'm working on, I wrote it myself, you know what I'm saying? Even if you try to stab my back, I don't, you know what I'm saying? That's dope. That's dope. All right, let's go back. All right. Okay. Yes. I'm a mirror that reflects. Oh my gosh, my reality. That's dope. Yes. Yes. Yeah, what? Yes.
In the game, baddest in the game. I'm your man back on by Jiro. Baddest in the game, baddest in the game. Baddest in the game, baddest in the game. Baddest in the game, baddest in the game. Baddest in the game, baddest in the game.
Damn, facts.
Now you wanna see me going crazy,
Damn.
huh? Okay.
I'm fixing my camera. You know. Baddest in the game, all right, Johnny. You don't. She's the baddest in the game. Right.
Now you wanna see me going crazy, huh? Okay. La, nó có boost up lại crop click càng được không cả cất. Chạy về evil nâng anh chạy crop click chắc. Không nên nè nó đã tục chắc. Bên chỉ mất cái tăng bản bắt. Cho cả chắc dùng can tài khát. Đi mà làm nó hài riêng chẳng ắt. Ốp sắp là cắt một chặt bao thóc. Không mọc cho đi sai. Đam mê đừng trong rai không prem gai khai lô tận ngoạn nghĩa làm lại. Đừng không biết đâu mà đọc hack smite ở bên trong play khai cái cho phải chay. Chúng ta nốt biết tập nó bria nè thọt sọt còn sống chặt đây. B-A-D-D-E-S-C I'm so fucking bad and bossy B-A-D-D-E-S-C And now it's time to shake with me Now say my name Diva Now say my name
Oh my goodness.
So if you wanna be the pain in my ass Be my butt plug
Damn. So that's all I can say. Damn. Oh my goodness. Damn, Chris Diva. I didn't know he was like that. That is in the game. Okay.
Can stay where it belong Cause 我不管了我不管了
What? Baddest in the game. But, oh my goodness. Yes. Damn.
Baddest in the game, baddest in the game. Baddest in the game, baddest in the game.
Baddest in the game.
Baddest in the game, baddest in the game. Baddest in the game,
Baddest in the game.
Victory! My enemy has been slain. Baddest in the game, baddest in the game.
Baddest in the game. Okay, baddest in the game. Okay.
Baddest in the game.
Okay.
Baddest in the game. Baddest in the game. Love you, ABR.
AVR, who's AVR? Wow. I swear. Chat, is there like a... I think I saw something like Gimengs. Is it like Gimengs? Next level. Chat, do they do like every year? Bro, I swear, bro. These are the next level raps, bro. These things are so...
Hey yo, what's up, ABR?
Like, that is actually like so dope, bro. Like, it's not just like, they're actually like, look at these guys now, bro. They're all big now, bro. They can even start their own brand as the singles. That's dope. That's dope, bro. I really love this, bro. I love this, bro. This is amazing, bro. Chat, listen now, man. So first time, make sure you click that like up, sub up. And let me know who was the GOAT right here. Who did the best? And so first time, make sure you click that like up, sub up. And let me know what you like next, man. Peace.